Hello everyone. Thank you, Father, for another day. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I want to say thank y'all so much for joining me for today's video. In this video today, I am going to show you how to make a ring using buttons, okay? For those of you, if this is your very first time, I want to say thank you for joining me. My name is Joyce McTier, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Truck Creation Designs. So these beads I purchased, these are some seed beads that I purchased from Walmart some time ago. Okay, some time ago. I've had these for a while, and every now and then I use them, but I'm going to be using these to help me create my button ring. Okay, now I will be using this is going to be the bead that I use. All right, and I can pick and choose whichever button that I want to do this with. So many different choices. I can go with a big button or a medium-sized button, or I could probably even go with something small. But I think I'm going to go with this one right here. Okay, so we're going to move this aside. Okay, so I'm going to take my Stretch Magic. I have already taken the liberty to cut my cord, and I'm going to go ahead and start assembling my ring. Now these are amazing to put together, and you can stack them. You can make multiples if you have a ring, like, you know, buttons. Listen to me, ring, boop, buttons. That's pretty much just like this one, the same exact one. You can make multiple ones for you to sell, or you can make different ones. It really doesn't matter. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on my bead first, and then I'm going to take my button and take one of my strands and pull it through, and my other strand and pull that through and bring that down like that. This is going to sit just like this, okay? And pretty much you already know that the rest is history. But what you want to do is you're going to go on each side, and I believe you're going to add about maybe 5 of each of one of these small beads on each side. And I'm trying to think how big these are. These look like they are about 3 millimeter. So I'm going to add 5 on one side and then 5 on the other side. So that's, well, actually I might need more than 5. I said 5, but I think it is going to be more than 5. So I have, yeah, it might be, yeah, 5 on one side. And let's see, I think we're going to see, because I really don't know. I'm just putting this together. This, I didn't do a prototype, because most of the time, sometimes I do a prototype when I'm making and creating some things, so that it doesn't take me forever to get through it. So I be prepared. But for this, I just decided it was something that I saw in my head, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and make it. I hope everyone is doing well. Y'all know the holidays are approaching. Next week, I think, is Thanksgiving. And let me see. I got 5 over here. I think I put 6. Did I put 6 over there on the other side? I gotta see, because I don't want it to be too big on my finger and it be falling off. Okay. So we have 6 on each side. And I actually think, yeah, I'm gonna need more than that. some of the beads, the holes are, they have to be cleaned out, some of the pieces. So that's 6. I'm gonna do one more over here. That's 7. And then one more over here. Okay. Trying to see if that's gonna be big enough. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do next is I think I'm gonna just take and find me another bead. I need okay, so I got me one of these nice size spacer beads, and I'm just going to take and put that on, just like that. And then I'm gonna tie this in a knot, but I gotta make sure that this is, wait a minute. I gotta make sure that this is where I want it to sit. So make sure you check the top to make sure that the wire isn't not in position. You want it to be in position so that your ring can look like this, okay? You see the wire? I mean the elastic wire. It's not wire. Anyhow. All right, so once I do that, I'm going to start tying a knot in it. You want to check it first, like I said. I still probably need to add some more beads in there, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and tie a couple knots in this. Still checking to make sure it's in place. Tie it again. All right. Now let's see. All right, so that's our ring. That's what it's gonna look like when you wear it on your finger. And then what I'm going to do next, now if you want it to be bigger, you can definitely make it bigger to fit on your other fingers, but it's a stretch ring, so it could go on this one. It could go on the rest of your fingers. I wonder if it'll go on the thumb. Let's see. Yep, it's actually perfect. It looked like a bottle with a nipple on it. But I do like it. It is cute. And you can take your other rings that you make and, excuse my hands, y'all, match it right up with that. And you can layer it, and you can wear multiple ones on your hand. But I just wanted to come to show y'all how to do this, and you can make plenty. Make plenty. You can do it in all different type of designs, styles, or whatever your little heart desires, okay? So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so much for joining me. Thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate your support. Please don't forget to like. Please don't forget to share, because sharing is caring. And I will see you in my next video. Y'all have a wonderful and amazing day. Peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.